Welcome to Cycle 2, Week 3 Geography, and we're going to be doing Western European countries. All right, first off, we have Ireland, and then we're going to jump over to England, and then we're going to skip over the English Channel. We're going to jump over and land in France. And France is connected to Spain, and that looks like the hair or a helmet, and the face is Portugal. You can put a little P in there or whatever you want. For timeline, we're going to start with Hinduism in India. So we're going to point to our forehead, and then we're going to do Phoenicians in the alphabet. Now the Phoenicians were sea-bearing. They were on the sea, and they come out with the alphabet. So we're going to make a ship, and we're going to be floating on the sea. And then we're going to do Olmecs of Mesoamerica, make a big O and go around our head because they have those big head statues, Olmecs of Mesoamerica. Then we're going to have Israel's exit, so make an I for Israel, and then X for Exodus, and then Desert Wanderings. We're looking around, yes. And then we're going to do Israelite conquest, so we make Israel's conquest, and then we're going to judge for judgment. And then we're going to do Greek Dark Ages, it gets dark. And then finally, Israel's United Kingdom. You can open your eyes because you're no longer Greek. Okay, so let's do the song. Ready? China, Shang Dynasty, Hinduism in India, Phoenician and the alphabet, Olmecs of Mesoamerica, Israelite exodus and desert wandering, Israelite conquests and judges, Greek Dark Ages, Israel's United Kingdom, 1000 BC, 1000 BC. Our history sentences tell me about the Crusades. And we'll make an R for Richard, and then make the sign for lion. Do lion, heart, and then touch your heart, lion-hearted. And then we're going to do son of Eleanor. So we make the sign for son. And then A for Aquitaine. And fought. We're going to do we're punch. Fought the Turks for Jerusalem. Make a J. During, remember the sign for a purpose is during. And we're going to touch our watch twice. During the time of the Crusades, we'll make the cross like they had on their shield. And then we'll do from, we'll stick our 10 fingers out from 1095 to 1291. And that's it. So let's do the song. Tell me about the Crusades. Richard of
Lion-hearted, son of Eleanor of
Aquitaine fought the Turks for Jerusalem during the time of the Crusades from 1095 to 1291. Great. All right, now we're going to do the math. We're going to do our math chant. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 12 equals 60. 5 times 13 equals 65. 5 times 14 equals 70. 5 times 15 equals 75. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 11 equals 66. 6 times 12 equals 72. 6 times 13 equals 78. 6 times 14 equals 84. 6 times 15 equals 90. All right, for English, we're going to do an army marching chant. And we can run around the room or whatever, but it goes like this. The tutor will say it, and the kids will repeat it. Pronoun order.
Pronoun order.
First person singular.
First person singular.
Second person singular.
Second person singular.
Third person singular.
Third person singular.
First person plural.
First person plural.
Second person plural.
Second person plural.
Third person plural.
Third person plural.
Pronoun order.
Pronoun order.
This week's Latin is first conjugation imperfect tense. And we'll say first conjugation imperfect tense is the bomb. So it's bomb, boss, bot, bommas, botas, bont, bomb, boss, bot, bommas, botas, bont. First conjugation imperfect tense. Imperfect tense is the bomb. Finally, science sentence this week is, what are three types of consumers? Herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. And we're going to use the song Weird Al Yankovic's Eat It. So let's demonstrate it like this. So it's eat it, eat it. What are three types of consumers? And then we'll do a leaf for herbivore, and then claws for carnivore, and an O for omnivore, and that's it. So here we go. It's the Weird Al Yankovic's Just Eat It. So it's eat it, eat it. What are three types of consumers? Herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. These are three types of consumer. Just eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it, eat it. What are three types of consumers? Herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. These are three types of consumers. Just eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
What do you call a cow with no legs?
What do you call a cow with no legs? What?
Ground beef.